easiPieces are our new clip-in volumizers that help you get from here to here. They're invisible, customizable, and your topper's best friend to fill in thin areas of your biological hair. In this video, we'll show you how to choose your easiPieces, from finding the correct color, length, and width, and also how to apply them. First, use the Jon Renau human hair coloring to find the color that best matches your biological hair and your topper. For the areas around your face, you may decide on a lighter shade than the ones you might choose for the nape. The nape area is typically 1 to 2 shades darker than the front or even the top of your head. In this case, Janine, who wears EasyPart XL in color 24B18S8, will choose two colors, 24B18S8 and 12FS8. The lighter 12FS8 for around her face, and the darker 24B18S8 for the nape area. Janine is looking to fill in the sides and the nape area to create a fuller look. To do this, she will measure the lengths of her biological hair from the side, the nape, and the crown areas. Then she'll choose the width based on where she'll be placing the easiPieces for the most volume. Because of its lightweight design and density, you can use as many or as few easiPieces as needed for your desired look. So to complete her look, Janine chose a 12-inch by 6-inch for the nape and a 16-inch by 9-inch for around the crown, both in color 24B18S8. And she's wearing 16-inch by 4-inch for the sides in color 12FS8. To apply easiPieces, simply section the hair, gently backcomb, and start applying. For additional hold, you can use Jon Renau Pick Me Up Dry Shampoo. Once you've clipped in your easiPieces, just style and you're ready to go. easiPieces are sold individually, so you can decide exactly what you need to create your customized look. The great thing about easiPieces is that it's made with polyurethane-based design that allows the piece to lay flat against your head for an invisible application. For more information, check out our website or shop directly at one of our authorized retailers.